Hello people, your host and host is back, Rahul. Well, DD Institute is extremely proud for the successful completion of CS-uite Bootcamp, a 7-day spa pack program where students got to enhance their corporate and life skills. Well, here you can see some of the glimpse of CS-uite Bootcamp held in April 2022.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें, गाड़ी संख्या 17429 शताब्दी एक्सप्रेस आज प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 9 की जगह प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 9 पे आएगी।
Securities and Exchange Board of India. Securities Exchange Board of India. बराबर बोले लेकिन and
ए का नाम सुना होगा, हाईवे पे कभी जाते होंगे तो बड़ी सी बोर्ड देखी होगी आपने। सूर्या पैलेस का नाम सुना होगा, केसी मेहता का नाम सुना होगा। ये सब बड़े फर्म्स एंड
Times of stock exchange, depository, trading process.
Well. So now what you are waiting for? DD Institute is coming up with CS-uite Bootcamp 2.0 soon. Fill up the Google form given in the description and be a part of this life-changing program. Enroll yourself as soon as possible. Thank you.
Hooray!